Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete all of your YouTube history on phone. Let's get started. For that, open up the YouTube application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the U icon right over here and now simply tap on settings like icon. Now tap on manage all history and this will open your YouTube history page in a browser. Just like that, simply tap on delete near the top screen and then tap on delete all time. After that, simply tap on delete again and that's it. Your YouTube watch history is now deleted. But if you want to remove your likes and dislike, at the very top tap on interaction, tap on videos likes and dislikes, and then simply tap on the cross icon of the video you wish to unlike. That's it. You have now deleted your YouTube history right from your phone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.